Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to delete any project that you've created using Claude. So to get started, I have Claude open here and we're going to navigate to the Projects tab. So it should be just right here at the top left of your screen. If you don't see it, click on the sidebar to show you the names of the icons. And here you're going to be able to see all of the projects that you've already created. So let's say I want to delete a certain project. What I would do is I would mouse over it. And as you can see, there's a context menu that appears at the top right of the project in question. So go ahead and click that. And underneath here, you're going to see a few options. You can choose to star, you can use to edit the details, or you can also archive and delete it. So go ahead and click on delete if that's what you want to do. But you can also just archive it, and archiving it is basically just keeping it out of sight but still saved on your account. So I'm going to click on delete because I have no more need for this project. I'm going to go ahead and click that, and on the confirmation bubble that pops up, and as you can see at the top right, it says project deleted right there. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.